and still waiting at the top of the steps. All these people, as he says. You have to lean from time to time.
Sorry. We're in your way.
We got Carol.
Hello everybody, thanks for everything today. Very warm welcome to the hostel. Those of you who are not familiar with this history, downstairs is very, very interesting. We certainly have records going back to the big Cecil room, so we like to tell people that we are our best traditions. Whatever considered one of the worst, in fact, the great place came.
Thank you. Just get through, please. Thank you. Thank you. No.
Now you're proud, aren't you? Now you're proud. Wrong way.
Sorry, do you want to get past us?
No, I'm thinking. I think I'll stay here. It's not the unveiling.
Go on, Deb, smile.
Very steep, huh?
One, two, take a picture. Yeah, well, he used to come up from Narromont. We're gone. He used to come up.
It's been a long time coming. It's taken 8 years, long work and fundraising to raise the £20,000 needed to restore on stage. We now have a plaque that commemorates that restoration. So I am now going to unveil the plaque.
I'm not that guy. You are good. You're a very good public speaker. You've got the right hand side. Are we going back up here?
This is more or less the lowest level of the steps.
I don't mind going in there. Sorry?
When you come down, you have to
You've got to go to the end.
Sorry?
You've got to go to the end.
Yeah, if you want to go down.
I'm going to go to the end. You're going back up, are you?
Yeah, right.
Nice to see what's in inside the paper.
I come up with that thing, you know. I've got some. Just when they were building all that stuff over there, but now they'll be able to go through and go into. There is a Sainsbury's, isn't there?
Looks a bit dangerous down the other end. A while before they open the whole lot.
Oh yeah, yeah. Fascinating.
Yeah.
So that's what the steps here.
You just no wall there at all, this is it.
That's right. Oh well. For the future, I suppose.
The steps going
It's
down.
going to be nice to look at it from the other end as well. You know, sort of go down the bottom and look at it from here.
Yeah.
See what
You can't really get, can you? People back on. So.
no, apparently there's a ditty down there. See where that metal
Yes.
railing is and the wooden fence just beyond
You
it.
can get,
You can get between those houses.
You can get as far as there.
And get as
Fair
far
enough,
as that, yeah.
Right. Have a look. It's a bit dangerous down there.
Oh, yeah, it's intriguing if you look at the it's not on this bit. Yes, it is on that bit.
Yeah, I'm going that way, yeah.
Apparently, if you look at the brickwork on the right-hand side here,
Yeah.
it's all angled. This stuff is apparently blocked up caves.
Oh, yeah.
There's a shoe shop here,
Oh.
and they've blocked it up, and there's 3 layers of bricks, and they at some stage going to open it up, but they don't know what's behind.
Skeletons, I think.
Well, possibly. Yeah.
Are you looking over there then?
Yeah.
You haven't looked over there yet.
I'm just going to go and the breakfast tea and the lunchtime tea, you know, I want a drink. Because I like the nice
Okay, all right.
They are steep, aren't they? You go up. Didn't feel the steep going down.
No, it didn't, did it?
No, no. Take your time. I mean, it's a lovely sunshine out here. You'll be in it.
I know, at least it's not raining. Yeah. Did you see it on the news then? Did you just think, oh,
Yeah, yes I did.
that's what we do?
And I thought,
Not be many there.
well, I thought. And I thought, that's good.
Yeah.
Because I was, you know, from Eastern, and I thought it would have been.
Don't go across.
Yeah.
I didn't speak to you, but you're fine. All right. Thank you. Yeah, the video.
So it's all right. Mind the steps.
What, you say your dad would do?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's great. Are you pleased as it turned out as you wanted? I was really worried about how people would get.
Oh no, you definitely.
The only people that were saying about it was the people who were saying, oh, we won't be able to make it.
I'll swap places because I'm going to take a photo. I need to feel down.
Thank you very much anyway. Well done. Thank you. You're all right, Marcus.
Congratulations.
You're only further down, or is that as far as you can go?
Yes.
No. We can do it on the way off.
I'm sorry, I was trying to take a picture.
I'll do that on the back.
Get out of the way just a second.
Yeah, I'm not moving until I can get something to lean on.
Do you want me to take your bag or are you alright?
No, I'm alright, that's not in the way at all. Just something to ease the way. And that's long stairs. Just like to look down there.
Oh, what is it?
Well, 8 stories high apparently.
8?
Yeah, so I was told. And then there's another 5 stories on top. Surprise.
Oh my word. Oh.
This thing, you don't need to turn that on.
Have a good time, man. Take a picture. That's lovely. That's really a nice picture. Yeah.